Hey, third grade. Today we're going to be using all of the strategies that we've been practicing this week of using arrays, equal groups, repeated subtraction, and then we're going to tie them into word problems involving division and multiplication. So I'm going to have a little chart on each slide, and it's called the GET model, and it stands for groups, the equal number in each group, and your total. And I'm going to explain that a little bit further in the next video, but we're going to be using that to decide if we're going to be multiplying or dividing by plugging in the numbers that we know from the word problem into the little boxes. And then you can use repeated addition, repeated subtraction, arrays, equal groups to help solve each problem. Okay, if you guys need any help, remember you can hop onto office hours at 2:40 to 3:30, and I'm on them every single day. That is a great time for you to ask for extra help or send me a message on Google Classroom or through an email. All right, see you later.